Let's go. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning.
Right, so we're gonna start setting up the drone and see exactly how to connect and everything else. We're going to discover this together, so stay along for the journey. First things first, we're gonna have to scan the barcode, the QR code, and it takes us to a link. Click on the link on visionst.com website if it's gonna load, and then we have an app on Google Play that we can install. Most probably, at least I think it should be the same for Android as well. I'm not sure if there will be any difference why you should not have an app on Android. So
iOS.
On iOS, so we open this. Obviously, we have to give them access to the location, very important. While using the app, yes, allow, I suppose, so you can actually store the recorded video directly on your mobile. Everything in Chinese. Right, I think I'm gonna have to click here. Is that it? What next? Disconnected. Right. So let's see how we're gonna connect it. I suppose we'll have to use the cable. I'm not sure 100%, but again, we're gonna discover this together. But I can't use a cable because I don't have the right one. It might be Wi-Fi. How do we? Let's check the manual. Right. So we got this bit. Connect your phone with drone by 5G. Okay, let's find the drone. So we're gonna look for some Wi-Fi's then. Wi-Fi. And then we found a 5G GPS Wi-Fi. Tap on it and disconnect it. Does that mean anybody can connect to it? It's a bit connection failed. So it says turn on the drone, find the hotspot of the aircraft. Click the hotspot. Well, I did that. Let's try again. Trial number 2. Tap on it. Do we have to like hold the button or something like that? I'm not trying to get internet out of it. Internet may not be available. Connect only this time. Connected without internet, not secured. Okay, let's see if the app is gonna show us anything. In detection devices. Found it? Oh shoot, that's the camera, man. This is the camera. Cool. Let's see. Yeah. And it doesn't look like the best, but don't think it's too bad either. Right, so what will be the next? Recommended mobile version. So yeah, iOS and Android, which is good. Homepage. Enter the homepage after running the app. Users can click. I'm not sure why mine is in Chinese, but we'll find out. Most probably it can be changed. App interface. One is GPS satellite, which is this one here. Second, the Wi-Fi signal, which is very strong. Drone power, which is number 3. I'm not sure why. Is it supposed to be red? I'm not sure, but I mean, I mean, it will make sense technically for this line to kind of drops, I suppose. More features. It's in that bit. settings, which will be on the burger menu, switch between camera and video shooting. It will be number 6. What's the difference? Oh, so you can capture photos. What's the difference? Oh, so you can capture photos. Man, that's cool. And then you have a video that is being captured. Boom, 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 boom. You stop it. Okay, so that is very nice. 7, the shutter. It's this one, obviously this button. And then we have number 8, album, so you can see the photos. Flight records number 9, which will be this bit here. Obviously there are no flights because, you know, we haven't actually flew the drone. Number 10, zoom in, zoom out. No way, it has zoom in, zoom out. Hell yeah, it has, man. Can you hold the drone? Let's see if it's actually decent. Because it doesn't look like being too decent. Nah. I think the zoom in, zoom out, I think it should be done from like post edit, you know, when you edit the video, and it's only like 2 times zoom, I think. No, it's more, but yeah, I mean, what we can definitely say is that this is a digital zoom, it's not an optical one, so it will kind of lose quality. A filter, that will be number 11, that will be here. Let's see what filters we have. Fairy tale, sunset. Oh, so you can apply filters directly from the drone. But again, I will say shoot the video standard and then apply filters in the when you actually edit. Flight status parameters number 12. It's this section here. I'm not sure exactly what they mean. H, the vertical distance between the aircraft and the point of return. D will be display the horizontal distance between the aircraft and the point of return. So it's like how far, height, and then how far. The vertical speed of aircraft, and H, the horizontal speed of the aircraft. Yeah, I think it should have been DSVS. Anyway, unlock, lock the drone. What does that mean? Unlock, lock the drone. Why would you want to lock it? It's number 13. I'm not sure what that does, but we'll see. 1 key return, I suppose you click on it and then it's gonna come back from the launching point, which is good. 16, return to the home page. It's on a level ground. Narrow space, not take off in a narrow space, crowd on near buildings, and do not touch the propeller. Yeah, we don't want to do that. More functions, it's here, and they have invert camera. What is that supposed to be? Oh, so it literally inverts the camera, like upside down. I suppose it could be a cool feature, but again, it's something that you can do in editing after you shoot the videos. Again, recommend to shoot as raw as possible. 3D stereo. I'm not sure what this does, but maybe if you connect a second camera, which I believe you can, it will give you kind of that camera as well, because one could be connected towards the front and the other one towards the back. I suppose, I don't know, I'm just, you know, brainstorming here. Waypoint flight, GPS follow, surrounding, gesture photo. Oh, so you can do like to take a photo and kind of show your palm or something like that. Lock, touch joystick, find drone, speed gear. You can add music. Well, you know, again, something you can do in edited. Lens switch. Yeah, I guess it doesn't work because it might not have that second camera that has that functionality. I'm just, you know, brainstorming here. Monocular view, monocular obstacle avoidance. It's only used for auxiliary flight with a certain failure rates. Okay, let's not use that. Headless mode. I don't even want to know what that means. So we got this bit sorted. Let's see if we can, well, fit it, and I don't know, we'll see.